Good afternoon. It is Saturday, excuse me. Let's try that again. Good afternoon. It is September 8th here in Denver, Colorado, and it is snowing. 90-something degrees yesterday. Today we've got mid-30s and snow. Not a ton of snow, but enough that if we were in Georgia, we'd be shutting down the schools and everybody would be rushing to the store to get bread and milk. Either way, it's kind of crummy out. No one wants to be outside, so I thought we would take some time to do my 3 cents in 3 minutes. Looking at some products that I've used over the last couple of years while bike packing, and we're going to start with one of my favorites today, the MSR Pocket Rocket. So ready, set, go. Here's my 3 cents in 3 minutes. MSR Pocket Rocket. Super simple stove that folds up nice and tidy into this little teeny box. There's even enough room that when you're done, lighter will fit right in there. What do I love about this stove? Well, it is small, tiny, and tight. Folds up small, tucks into that case. Great for bike packing and backpacking. I use this either solo or with one other person. It is not a group cook type stove. The actual stove surface area is not very big either, so I don't ever use anything bigger than about a 1 liter pot on there. Some of the things that I just love about this stove. One, super easy to light, as most isopropyl stoves are. Nice, intense, hot flame. Don't want to melt the GoPro there. Very, very adjustable. Get it down to a slow simmer. Mostly I'm just using this to boil water for coffee in the morning and then boiling water for ready-to-eat meals in the evening. I don't do a lot of cooking per se on this stove. MSR says this stove will boil water in about 3.5 minutes. That's for a full liter of water. You know, here in Denver at altitude, 3.5 minutes is wishful thinking, especially once you get up above 8,000 or 9,000 feet. But overall, it does a really nice job. Pretty efficient stove. I also wrap my pot in a insulating wrap so that it does retain heat a little better, and that seems to help with the boil time as well. Downside to this stove is you can see that the flame is very, very concentrated. So if you're using an aluminum pot or even a thin titanium pot, it's very easy to, if you're not paying attention and you boil all your water off, to create a hot spot on that pot, which you can scorch your food in, you know, aluminum pot or even something with a Teflon coating on it. You could damage that coating quite easily. But again, I'm not doing a lot of cooking with mine. I'm a boiling water type of guy, and that's about it for me. Other things that are nice about this stove is any other isopropyl stove. Easy to find fuel for these guys, except for the year or the summer of COVID where fuel and everything else has been in high demand. Once it's done, it cools fairly quickly so that you can pack it up. These little guys just fold out of the way. Making it really super easy. And it's still a little hot, so I'm taking some care here. But you can see this folds up out of the way, fold up out of the way, and then goes into this little case right here. Lighter on top. And we're out of time. MSR Pocket Rocket, I believe it's called the Pocket Rocket 2 now. Shut up, duck. MSR Pocket Rocket 2 from MSR. I'm going to give this 5 out of 5 stars. If you're looking for a stove that boils water quickly and packs away nice and tidy, you're going to like this stove. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.